Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about something where a bag of people have sent me. And they must send me like, see, look at YouTuber, see the proof there? No you can't drop it on such, man. I'm going to talk about it, but I'm going to take it from a different angle. But now I'm going to focus on such, man, because I'm not hearing nothing new, so. We don't tell you this long time. When I realize that, I tell them things for years, and every time when I finally see it, you know, want, like, tell me like I should react with some kind of, you know, oh my god, OMG, really? Finally I get my confirmation. Guy, me not getting a confirmation, I only get confirmation. Cause only thing some of us make up things to get views, some of us work with it, that make up things to get views until you see it for yourself. It's just like, for years, me I tell you, say, it's a minority 87s make Iron Man up on the murder chart. It's not the thousands and thousands of youths are going to look for no food in the belly. They have to kill to survive. Guy, now all of a sudden, everybody, they on this whole JCF intelligence says 300 or 400 people are carrying out the bulk of the murders, and people from the PIA and Patrons will link me and say, look at you, but then look how long you tell them this. They need somebody with a big title to tell them that. Just like how we tell them, say, the social intervention and the poverty is not the root cause of, and then we see scholar guy come say it, and then you see big news station, they're there, oh, so you're saying that it's not the poverty, it's not this? Like them amazed by something they might hear for years. But as them say, better late than never. In this instance, at least I we're talking about. Before we go into that, I have two Patreon birthday shout out. Greggy Banton and Raquel coming from Jason H. Jason H, me don't say I missed it already. Same situation with RJ Sam. The video was to be a part of some follow-up video. One big exclusive after the Price Johnson, but then get the link say, hold off till you get the link say don't bother. So them video have to cancel. So I've put them in the Sunday video. Greggy Banton. Jason and me know say you're like a big brother to him. Even though not a family, but look for him like a big brother. You can offer him positive guidance. Everybody needs somebody like that. Especially in our culture like Iron Man. Where even the smallest issue, somebody tell us, say, yo, we could go rise the K them and deal with that. Greggy Banton, no say the birthday was the 13th. But today we are sending the shout out, belatedly. Jason H rate you. Jason say you're an inspiration to you. That word is so powerful. Inspiration. Where you can inspire somebody. Some things money can't buy, you know. Money can't buy you nice house and nice car, but you see if it be inspirational to others, that's right, so it has to be studied. And by the way, Jason tell me say big marriage go on. Greggy Banton. 8th of February, him and his wife I start a new life. Greggy Banton aka DJC and your wife, big up on yourself. Wishing her all the best in her life. Next up we have Raquel, coming from the same Jason. Raquel aka Rocky. R-A-Q-I. My name make Uncle Sam go hear Rocky and thinks that Iraqi now next thing go plan big operation in the Jason. How you do, you know? But the last time you see what go on in the Rock. And the Rocky thing they spooky, you know. But he might tell me say Raquel boss him on the movement and she introduce him. So you know so a good man. So Raquel big up yourself. See there, you introduce Jason to look at YouTuber. I know Jason I send the shout out back to you. Full circle it down. Big up on yourself. That's Greggy Banton. And Raquel coming from Jason. I big up the whole Henry family too. We talk about Lisa Hyper. Check out this little clip as
Kartel beat me. Yeah, of course Kartel beat me. Make him try it now, no? Make him try it now. Make him try beat me now. Make him try beat me now and see what go on. Kartel beat me.
People are saying me this and I say, boy, you see it and look what they say. Such man really a beat them up and abuse them and guy. This video now go take the angle what I expect. Personally, I am sick and tired of these hookers. These guys are hookers. Just like when you see one hook up on the side of the street, abused and battered, and the humanity in there make you feel sorry for them. Take them up, carry them to one shelter, give them food in them belly, tell them sorry to stay over here because no I get hurt no more. The next thing you know, back on the corner under them pimp. That's how these Gaza hookers are. Lisa Hyper, Gaza Kim, Popcorn, Ja Vinci. I don't think I hear talk about hooker things, so I talk about woman alone. I talk about all of them. All of these victims, beaten and battered. And when time you call it out, them same one go on line up and go so until the likes dry up because they love likes. Then when time the likes dry up, they want to come tell you them story. Now that's what they will see how they on stage, a wiggle up like worm on Freedom Street. Now just when they hear that, such man biggest fan. I defend and I cuss and I go on. Anybody who, when I will tell them say yo, Lisa Hyper, him a call Devabrat, rapeable, the same thing with them charge Devabrat for. Such man did I do with Lisa Hyper. And on top of it, beat her like how him beat the rest of them. And make man beat them. But she'll get likes. And clearly our quote unquote morals attached to likes. So now the likes dry up like an acidic Jamaican woman when time she find out say I show her too much love and respect. And she just say no on a murder charge. And so the likes dry up. All of a sudden she wanna come tell a story about such man used to beat and abuse. We know that guy. Or in this case girl, we know that. But the Jamaican people don't care. Irish Saxons don't care. Gaza Kim already tell the people them say such man make man hold her and beat her. And I tell them say man beat her and box her to shoot up herself. Then we see her in the paper say she willing to forgive her. Oh yeah, they look true. We had to look on feature. If any of these people were truly willing to stand up for woman while get beaten and kicked down, then I would fully throw my support behind them. Because I said that's a person on a mission. That's a person who's trying to change this and that. But none of these hookers from Gaza now try to change nothing. I likes them a look and the likes dry up and now they want to come talk about oh they used to abuse me and used to beat me. So the morality attached to how much likes them get. Just where they will see Lisa Hyper. We are tough body up and down on Freedom Street. Whoever I make them body and if you start make them a little more flexing at them. That means when you slap it flat, you must go to whoo. You must get a little bounce back. Whoo. Just where they will see her. She was such man biggest defender. And now true she not get Benz. True she not get Beamer. True next man must get Lamborghini. All of a sudden, she want to come tell story and I saw it work guy. These Irish Saxons, their morality and their values are attached to material things. When they can get things, they will ignore the beating and torture of a 5-year-old. They will ignore man a kill baby on breast. They will ignore the Dan doing anything but make him start give them things. Suddenly you hear this and you start hear that. Why do you think them ball and go on so for Dan? Every Dan, just like every MP, figure them out. Irish Saxons love likes. And when they can get likes, they will make you go into them 5-year-old daughter bed and turn a blind eye. It has to be studied. So I'm in a real Irish Saxon guy, cause they don't stand for nothing. Now she want to come talk about such man used to beat. And now she want to come expose things. Cause she not get Lamborghini. Just when them I tell you how him give them this and give them how him nice and him charitable. Now all of a sudden he's a monster cause they can't get no more things. He was always vile guy. He was always vile but because they like get things. So me I try to show you say them morals and them values attached to things. Irish Saxons don't stand for nothing. So when I see them I talk about on the abuse, it's not because they're trying to stand up for even themselves or others. It's because them stop get things and them want things. So them I try shame man and expose man into giving them things. You not get nothing, Lisa Hype. Move from there. First thing you talk about man can't get your eagle eye. Your eagle eye clearly not as valuable as a man them rear end. Because a man then get wallet more than uno. Notice the girl them in Gaza. The most them get a one tricycle. The Gaza girl, the most them get is a tricycle. But the man them in a Barabas life, that them boy they love rear end more than them love eagle eye. Move from there. Both Barabas can't get an eagle eye again. Barabas said the same one you're an eagle eye. Clearly it's not as valuable to him as mad sus rear end. The man them in a Barabas life, them will get Lamborghini guy. The most them get a one tricycle. Remember them big tricycle that Pitney used to ride on? You have to put your foot out towards the front wheel and pedal hard. That's all Lisa Hyper get. Move from there. Your eagle eye is not as important to Barabas as the rear end them were on him. The man them in him life, where them have clearly sweet him more than what you have. Who should I tell about Barabas can't get an eagle eye? If Barabas the one that the eagle eye, then get that. Who is she kidding here? Man, no one that the eagle eye there. That the eagle eye the secondary, a rear end the man thing there. Ask mad sus. Cause she no get car, cause she no get this, cause she no get that. Suddenly she want to come expose. So you see, these are the worst type of Irish Saxons. Them will run up and down with the most vile of humans. Best friends in the whole wide world. And then when time them start get something, suddenly them start talk about who all them boy they used to all kidnap granny and kill them. So now y'all know that. Them start tell story from 2012. See, and the man apart from them time, they know some go at all them things down. I know you want to come talk about it, trying to get Lamborghini. Move from there. Move from there. One of the ratings from the Irish Saxon and the Irish Saxoness. Who should talk about such man used to beat her? Of course you know that. Hold on used to get beaten. Popcorn, hold on no. But we did happy for run out same way. And support. And trying to get Lamborghini. Trying to get Beamer. Trying to get Benz. Suddenly you want to come expose. Lisa Hype have all her such man secrets. So she have all them file and all them secret, but she never business about none of that. When time the likes did I come in. Now the likes dry up. The likes dry up like a kerosene time she hears say. The gun we have in your waist license. Cause she no depend that illegal gun for your thing there. Rrrr! Me glide dry up right away. Boy I walk on with the license gun. What kind of nerd this? I saw the likes dry up on Lisa Hype. Now she wanna come tell a story. Such man is a notorious woman abuser. The whole town know that, but because you know some vile Irish Saxons and they put entertainment above all, and on the values them attached to how popular somebody is. When you turn a blind eye, and every time when you find out say one next man get accused of something, when you say him for dead, because you tolerate such and such. It has to be studied. Lisa Hyper, move from there. You know much time we step out and put yourself at the firing line to defend these Irish Saxons only for them turning and go on like men don't want to go on. So they don't want to mash up the link with such man because they can get maybe one and two tune and one and two stage show call up. Move from there. Look on Scratchy B. All the years them a beat and taught at Scratchy B. We always feel sorry for Scratchy B. Now you seen Gamp on 2 Lakhs platform. I go like him no know nothing. Go like him want to talk tough. Guy, you're a victim in all this. A pity we feel for you, guy. Pity. People say, yeah, look at Hype. Look at Hype of a Scratchy B. Irish Saxons are ridiculous. What kind of time waster me could have be? If you sit down and say, you know, so I got to build a whole story and look at Hype of a Scratchy B name. Scratchy B, dog. When the first shot the video, people look at me and say, no, so I never even remember about Scratchy B. Me forget about Scratchy B and Cash Money. Me think the man that dead and gone because we know about him. You look at YouTuber to revive back the name Scratchy B for enough I know. I know man tell me say me I look Hype of a Scratchy B name. We've seen over the years that these people were victims. And then you speak up to the victims and the same victims turn on and throw you under the bus. And then when time the likes dry up, the same victim double back now. I want to come tell the story of victimhood. Move from there. Vile. Has to be studied. People say, look at you every time I watch the 2 Lakhs interview. I say, you want to say how Scratchy body language. Scratchy B is a victim. Beaten, kicked down, cigarette put out. Just like Lisa Hype, Gaza Kim, Popcorn, one of them, victim. Boof, 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 boof. But just like the hooker, when you sit on the roadside, battered and abused, and you're running and got enough of yourself, but you stand up and talk up for all the visit she gone back on her pimp. So I'm trying to tell him, say, no, say such man used to climb on Lisa Hyper from a very long time still. Go on like them, you know. Now you want to come tell the story. Move from there. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. Go live. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.